Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's begin with communication skills class. So a slide changes there. Ours was the last lecture. Instead of last, we are going to conduct it right now, and the present lecture will be conducted at the end. Okay. So let's begin. Let's start that what we people were doing previously. We people started with unit number 1 English grammar, and in that also we people started with articles. Okay. So I hope that you people might have just gone through some of the new information about articles. Okay, but important is thing not just learning article, but you people have to try to communicate, try to speak English, try to understand how articles will be useful for oral communication that you people can check, and accordingly you people just make it better your English reading, whatever it may be, listening, speaking, and writing as well. Okay, so without much time, I will just share the screen immediately. So you people just ensure it my voice is audible to you clearly.
Yes, audible.
Okay, so but I will share screen just within few minutes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So for articles and we people have talked. If you have any questions, just try to ask me. If not, then we'll continue with next part of article, that is definite article the. Okay, so let's begin with definite article the. Is the next slide visible or not?
No, sir.
Okay, so it means I have to share it once again. Okay, so let's try to continue with definite article the. So why it is called definite? Because that is for something specific. I think that in previous first slide only we people have discussed about article and their types. So in that article, indefinite articles were and because they were used for general purpose, and article the is definite because it is used for specific purpose, for particular, something which is exact, something which is obvious, something which is particular, and so therefore that is definite article the. Okay, so let's try to find out more about article the. That says the is used before a singular countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and plural countable nouns also. Okay, what is it? First of all, singular countable noun, then plural countable noun, and uncountable noun. So there are three kinds of things that people have to remember when you're talking about article the. But when it was article a and article and, in that case you are not required to think that much, because a and they're usually only one kind of nouns. Which are they? Singular countable nouns. So that is only related with a and. But for the singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, as well as uncountable nouns also. So that is the use of the that people are going to look for. Examples here you people can see. Example says the book is not available in the market. So here 2 times article the is used. So when people are talking about the book and the market, so let's try to think about it. If the same sentence, if I would like to write like this, you try to tell me a book is not available in the market. So in this case, tell me both sentences mean same or there is difference. A book is not available in the market and the book is not available in the market.
Different, sir.
Yes, there is a difference. You can't be having the same meaning here. But when you're saying a book is not available in the market, people will not understand what you are trying to say, because that is very general, and its meaning will be like this: there is no book at all in the market. Okay, so therefore when you say the book is not available in the market, so that time the book becomes specific book. What kind of specific book it can become? So the book might be, for example, here I told all of you people, all you people can buy communication skills book. Okay, and then in that case you people went into the market and you people were searching, you were trying to buy the book, but you people did not get the book. In that case you people will say the book is not available in the market. So in that case the book means what book? This specific book. Which book? Here it is CS, but it can be any other. Like it might be your friend might have told you to buy one book which is useful on maybe learning any language, or it can be about learning technical something, and you're finding that book, then that book is not available. So the book has specific meaning, and if it is a book, it means totally you will not able to understand what you mean by a book is not available in the market. Same, the market is also, the market means which market? The market means which market here? The market in which you usually buy something. For example, if you are in Pandharpur, so in Pandharpur, where their bookshops are there, in that you people are checking, and the market will refer to the market in the Pandharpur city. Okay, so because that is your the specific market, and if it is a market means again general market. So therefore to become specific, to become maybe exact, you people can use article the here. So the book is not available in the market. That gives us exact and specific meaning. We understand something. Next sentence is the water of this river is very clear and sweet. Okay. So when you people are using water in general sense, for example, another example, if I give you people, give me some water. So here is also water, but here water is using, I mean, general sense. Okay, so that is water means that water for drinking. So therefore, I cannot say give me some the water or the some water. Okay, but here about water, the speaker is talking about particular specific water. Which water it is? Water of this river. Okay, and so therefore here article the is used. The water of this river is very clear and sweet. So therefore the means specific water. Specific water, what kind of specific water? Specific water of this river. Then next example is here. I have read all the books you gifted me. So here is also the books. So what do you mean by the books? Which kind of books here? Books are specific books. Books are particular books. Which books? You gifted me. Those books. Those books. So therefore here the books. So here you people cannot use a and. Why you cannot use a and? Because books itself is in plural. Okay. Before plural you can't use, because it is only a singular countable noun. You people can use article a and. But here it is plural countable noun. So people don't have any option here to use article a or an here. Okay. Is it clear about how the becomes specific? From
Yes,
this
sir.
example. Okay, if it is clear, then we'll go to the next slide and we'll talk about more uses of article the. So it says to talk about a particular thing or person that has been already mentioned. Okay, so now here another use case of article the is that when you wanted to talk about what kind of thing or person, particular person or thing, but it is already mentioned. How it is already mentioned? Or it is first you are mentioning it second time. First time it is already mentioned, second time you are mentioning about this. If you see examples, you will understand it in better way. So see first example here. It says, I ate a cake and an ice cream. Okay, this is first sentence. In this case, you'll come to know here is a cake and ice cream. Okay, here you are referring cake or ice cream first time. You are referring it first time. It is mentioned. Now you are referring again, same. The cake was tasty and delicious. Now tell me, when you're talking about cake here, so is it same cake which you mentioned here, or it is totally different cake now?
Same cake.
The same
Yes.
cake.
Here you're talking about the same cake and it is already mentioned here. So you're mentioning cake here second time. Okay. You're mentioning your cake second time. So for this cake, you're talking with article the. Here you can't say a cake was tasty and delicious. If you're talking like this, I ate a cake and an ice cream. A cake was very tasty and delicious. Again, people will look at you how you're talking like this. Okay, so that will not make complete sense for people, and so it will be a kind of confusing remark. So therefore, the cake was tasty and delicious means the cake which I ate, that cake I'm referring, and it is already mentioned. So therefore, similar example is second one also. I read a book. So for first time, article a is used. Okay, the book was interesting. So now I'm referring the same book. Which book? The book which I read here. Okay, and so therefore article the means particular book that which I read, and that book is interesting. Okay, like this. So is it clear how to use article the for the things which I already mentioned like this?
Yes, sir.
Fine, thank you. Then let's go to the next slide. On next slide, we are going to talk about before nouns which are unique of their kind in the world, such as earth, sky, sun, moon, ocean, etc. Okay, these are some unique things, or you can point it out. These are geographical terms, concepts before them. And their unique means what kind of unique? They're only one. They are not like many such things. So therefore, they are unique things. And so therefore, before them, you people are going to use article the here. Okay. So like this earth, sky, sun, moon, or ocean. So here example you people can see, it says the earth moves around the sun. So here both things, earth and sun are here. So people can see the earth and here people can see the sun. Okay. So can you tell me, or can you read like this? Here it begins with E, and in previous slide, in previous session, people have talked about if it is A, E, I, O, U, and then we use article an. And so why can't we use an earth? Is it right? An earth moves around the sun.
Because Earth is the unique thing.
Yes, earth is unique. It is only one. So therefore, you can't say an earth, though it begins with E, but you can't say an earth. You will not read like this. Anywhere you will not find that an earth. Okay, it will be always the earth. Okay. Now another question I have for you here. What you will say, the earth or the earth? What will be right? The sun or the sun? What will be right? How to pronounce article the?
The sun.
The sun. And earth? The earth or the earth? Okay, if you don't know, I will tell you. Whenever if any noun begins with what? A, E, I, O, U. And before that noun, if you are going to use article the, in that case, the pronunciation of the, it is going to be the. Okay, it is going to be the. So it is the earth. Why the earth? Because it begins with what? E. and it is the sun. Why the sun? Because it begins with sound s, that is consonant. So therefore the sun. So again here, if it is ocean, what it will be? How will pronounce it? The ocean or the ocean?
The ocean.
The ocean.
It will be the ocean. Okay, it begins with O, so it is the ocean. And if it is end, then what will be? The end or the end?
The end.
The end.
The
The end.
You people have to say the end because it is beginning with vowel sound. So it is the end. Something like this you can follow. There is not much difference between the or the. There is only a pronunciation and it is according to vowel sound or consonant sound. All right. Next example says the sea and the sky meet each other at horizon. So here the sea, the sky, and the horizon. These are again things you people can find they're unique, and before them article the is used. Okay. Again, I would like to tell you other unique things also people can consider. For example, you people can talk about the Taj Mahal also. Taj Mahal is also a unique thing, or a great historical monuments also. That before that you people can use article the. Okay. So these are also unique things that you people can consider here. All right, should we go to next slide here?
Yes, sir.
The next, before nouns which have superlative adjectives before them. Which adjectives? Superlative adjectives. So if you have seen or if you have read, if it is good, you people can make it into 3 degrees: good, better, best. Okay, like this. So here better, best, you people have to think about only superlative. So best is superlative form. So for all kinds of superlative forms, before such adjectives, you people are going to use article the, like this. Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. So in this case, you may get confused here that actual noun is emperor. It is beginning with E, so it is cannot be an emperor. And greatest Mughal emperor, no. A greatest Mughal emperor, no. It will be the. Why the? Here you are talking about superlative form, great, greater, greatest. So that is superlative degree. Okay, so therefore the greatest. You can consider all other superlative adjectives. For example, fastest, the shortest, the highest, the largest, the biggest, the smallest, the longest, whatever it may be you are talking about. The most beautiful, the most difficult, the most dangerous, anything can be with article the. Second example is here. Vision for 2020 is one of the best books by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here also you'll come to know that is the, okay, the best. So everywhere you'll come to know, though it begins, for example, another example I can give you, if it is oldest. So you may tend to use an oldest. Is it an oldest or the oldest?
The old.
It will be the oldest, not an oldest. Though it begins with O, it will be the oldest. Why? Because that is in which degree? Superlative degree. Okay. The next, before nouns which represent a class of one kind. Represent a class of one kind. What does it mean, class of one kind? It means that entire class. It means entire community. It means all, everyone. So in such cases, people use article the. Examples that people can talk here. The poor always suffer. So here you'll come to know that poor is used. Poor is noun or adjective. Tell me, what is poor? What is
adjective.
poor is adjective, but in this example, it is used as noun. Okay, so when it is the poor, you people have to tell me whether the poor means only one person or all poor people. What is
all poor.
All four.
All.
exactly that people have to understand from this example? When it is the poor, it means all poor people. Okay, all poor people, and poor is noun here, it is not adjective. Actually poor is adjective, but in this sentence it is used as noun. The poor means all poor people always suffer, like this. The next is we should always help the weak and the helpless. Same case here also. So you'll come to know weak is again adjective. Weak is again adjective, but in this example it is used as noun, and before that there is article the. So when it refers the weak, it means again all weak people. It means all. So it refers a class of particular kind. Class of weak people, class of poor people, class of helpless people. So therefore it is article the is used in such cases. Okay, so is it clear? Can
Yes,
we go to next slide? Only Sanket is replying. What about others? Let me ask someone else. So Gayatri Patil, roll number 15, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me check Shraddha Vyavahari, roll number 25. काय अडचण आहे?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Praveen Hazare, roll number 39. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay, then let me ask Avishkar Shinde, 54. Avishkar Shinde, 54. Is it audible? If it is audible, otherwise you'll be removed from the meeting. There is no point in just getting connected and not paying attention. If it is audible, you just tell me something. You can send me something in chat box, or you can raise your hand, or you just try to tell me in any way. Avishkar Shinde. Otherwise, I'm going to remove such people from meeting. Avishkar Shinde, roll number 54.
Yes, sir.
So, are you paying attention? Are you paying attention?
No, sir.
You are not paying attention. लक्ष देतोस का तू? लक्ष देतोस का आविष्कार?
No, sir. ती व्हायचं थोडं बाहेर आणतं ते.
Okay. Okay, so just take care that you are attending classes sincerely.
Okay, sir.
Next time, just take out time for your personal work and take out time for your learning. So, fine. So specifically, I would like to tell you people, you should choose a calm and quiet place as a disturbance nasala pahije kiwa in that case you take permission from your class coordinator or your subject teacher that today I want to just have some work, other work, and I wanted to do that. So there is no point. If attend, join करायचं आणि मग केलं तरी केलं, नाही केलं तरी नाही केलं. That way you don't do it. जे कधी गोष्ट केली तर प्रामाणिकपणे करायची, ऑनेस्टली करायची आणि चांगली करायची. आणि जर if you are not interested at all, you don't waste your time and others time. नाही करायची तर नाहीच करायची, अशा प्रकारचे असायला पाहिजे. पण ज्यावेळेस आपण चांगली गोष्ट मन लावून करतो तर त्यामध्ये you need to be remarkable. आपलं वेगळा ठसा, वेगळं वैशिष्ट्य आपलं असलं पाहिजे. तर या पद्धतीने करायचे. So that is for everyone, that you people can take note of it. So whenever you are attending class, it should be like actual class, though we are attending it virtually, but your attention matters a lot. जेवढं तुमचं लक्ष असेल तेवढं तुमचं अंडरस्टँडिंग मॅटर करणार आहे. तर तुमचं लक्ष पूर्ण असेल तर सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला कळतील, आणि ज्यावेळेस तुमचं लक्ष नसतं त्यावेळेस तुम्ही मग इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. मग कसं तरी टाळाटाळ करायची, काहीतरी करायचं असं होतं. आणि सी यू आर नॉट स्टुडंट्स नाव, म्हणजे स्टुडंट्स आहात तुम्ही, पण असे स्टुडंट नाही की अप टू 12th स्टँडर्ड म्हणजे असं विद्यार्थ्यांना फोर्स करायला लागतं आणि दे आर नॉट सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, किंवा त्यांना असं काही माहित नसतं, किंवा पुढे काही जॉब वगैरे या गोष्टी त्यांच्या डोक्यात नाहीत. पण यू पीपल आर नाउ टेकिंग प्रोफेशनल एज्युकेशन, रिमेंबर. आणि प्रोफेशनल एज्युकेशन म्हणजे त्याच्यातून काय होणार आहे, फायदा कोणाचा आणि तोटा कोणाचा हे तुम्हाला समजून घ्यायचं. जर तुम्ही व्यवस्थित चांगलं करताय, ऑफकोर्स यू पीपल विल गेट बेनिफिटेड, आणि पुढच्या ज्या करिअर, जॉब या गोष्टी असतील तर या गोष्टी तुमच्यासाठीच असणार आहे. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही जर जेवढी चालढकल कराल किंवा एवढं निग्लेक्ट कराल तर तुम्हाला असं वाटेल की येस आय एम अटेंडिंग लेक्चर, सरांना मी दाखवतो की माझी अटेंडन्स 100% आहे, पण त्याचा आउटकम किती, त्यातनं रिझल्ट काय येतो किंवा त्यातनं मला किती कळालं, मला किती नॉलेज मिळालं आणि व्हॉट आय एम जस्ट डुईंग अँड हाऊ टू अफेक्ट माय फ्युचर, त्याचं माझं फ्युचर, माझं जॉब आणि माझं करिअरवरती कसं इफेक्ट होऊ शकतो. तर that you people think, you people are quite mature now, and again important, you know what is good for you, what is bad for you, and accordingly people can take decision, because you people are in such a maybe era where are lots of things to distract right now. म्हणजे हातामध्ये मोबाईल आहे पण तो असा दुधारी तलवारी सारखा आहे, वापरलं तर चांगल्या पद्धतीने खूप काही चांगलं शिकता येऊ शकतं आणि नाही म्हटलं तर मग त्याचा दुरुपयोग किती होऊ शकतो आणि त्यामुळे आपलं किती नुकसान होऊ शकतं, इवन दॅट यू कॅनॉट इमॅजिन ऑल्सो. So don't do that. It was a short note for you, a little bit divergent, but it is important. So Yash, if you are not able to unmute, you just leave this meeting and join back. Yash Kulkarni. Okay. So pay attention to the screen and try to see what we people are going to learn here in this slide about definite article the. Remember, we are talking about definite article the. Okay. So it says before proper nouns. Actually, before proper nouns, people do not use articles. For example, if my name is Rahul, I can't use it the Rahul. Okay, that is not at all. You people can't use like this. But here are some proper nouns that you people have to use like this, and you people can learn from them. Mountain, names of mountain ranges. Okay, so let's pay attention to the example here. It says the Himalaya is not a single mountain. It is a range of mountains like this. You might have studied in your maybe 10th geography. Okay, or the Alps is also the name of mountain range, which is in, I think, Europe continent. So the Alps, you people can say like the Alps, the Himalayan. So these are names of mountain ranges. Then next is rivers. Names of all rivers will be taking article the. For example, here you can see the river Ganges, the Nile, the Chandrabhaga, the Brahmaputra, the Sindhu, and all names that you people know. The Nile, the Amazon, all other names of rivers will take article the. Okay. Next is oceans and seas. All you people know that there are different oceans and seas. So the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So these are names of ocean. And seas, like we people have here Arabian Sea, the Arabian Sea, or the Arabic Sea, people can say it. Okay. Then here is names of gulfs that people can talk about. Gulfs, the Persian Gulf. Okay, Khadi. Canals like Suez Canal, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal. Deserts, can you tell me names of deserts?
The Sahara Desert.
Yes, the Sahara Desert. Sahara is here. Gobi is there. Gobi Desert, the Gobi Desert. The Rajasthan Desert is there. So people can talk about those deserts also with article the. And few names of countries. Why it is few names of countries? Why not all countries? You'll come to know for India. Can you say the India? Is it okay to say the India or not? We don't use. We don't call the India, okay? But few countries mix. The countries which is made up of, let's say, some federation, some states which are separate states combined together, or maybe different parts are there. In case of UK, you'll come to know there are 4 parts that makes UK. So Britain is there, Wales is there, again Scotland is there. So together that 4 parts makes United Kingdom. USA, again, federal states are there. USSR also made up of parts. So therefore you'll come to know that is the USA, the USSR, the UK. So what is this USSR? Which nation is this? That is Union, Soviet, Soren, Russia. In fact, that is name of Russia. Okay, Rus. So these are certain or few nations which take article the, but not all. Okay, you can find out different other names also which will take article the. Here you people can add names of directions, all directions like the east, the west, the south, the north, that will come here. Okay. Again, you people can talk about geographical lines like we people have equator. So that will be the equator. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. That is also the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn. Again, maybe there are different geographical terms which will take article the before them. Is it clear about all these names of rivers and all those things?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Additionally, you people can add here because if something is missing, you can add here. So next is about musical instrument. Okay. So all kinds of musical instruments will take article the before them. Like here, you people can talk. Fiona is learning the flute. So flute, Fiona is proper noun. Flute is musical instrument. Before that article the is used. He plays the violin. So violin is also musical instrument. Can you tell me other names of musical instruments?
Tabla.
Tabla, the tabla,
Guitar.
guitar, the guitar,
The piano.
the piano is there. Harmonium, the harmonium is there.
The sitar.
The sitar is there. Okay, so these are the some of the few musical instruments that we people know. You can find it out more, of course, but before musical instruments, article the will be used. The next is about names of certain books. Instead of certain books, I will call it religious books. Okay, that will be religious books. Like here, you people can read. That's the Ramayana, the Quran. Additionally, people can mention the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, and all Vedas. All 4 Vedas will be taking article the. बघा तुम्ही मुकुंद तळेकर कुठं लेक्चर अटेंड करत असतील तुम्ही सगळेजण अंदाज लावू शकता. पुढे क्रिकेटची मॅच चालू आहे, तिथले ते अनाउन्समेंट कॉमेंट्री ऐकायला येते आणि त्यामध्ये मुकुंद तळेकर आपले लेक्चर अटेंड करतात. मुकुंद तळेकर, आणि त्याची त्यांना जाणीव सुद्धा नाहीये की आपण असं करत असताना आपण लेक्चर अटेंड करतोय हे आपलं माइक अनम्यूट केलेला आहे. Okay, so I will remove that Mukund Talekar. Okay, so that he will realize. So I just mentioned, मला वाटतं आत्ताच एवढ्यात मी सांगितलेलं की आपण लेक्चर अटेंड करण्यासाठी किंवा एखादी गोष्ट कुठली करायची तर कशी केली पाहिजे. सो इफ यू वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट, गो अँड प्ले. व्हाय यू आर बॉदर अबाउट अटेंडिंग क्लास. ओके, सो व्हेन यू सॅटिस्फाईड, म्हणजे आता क्रिकेट खेळून मी दमलो थकलो, आता माझं मन भरून क्रिकेट खेळून झालं. इफ यू आय फेल, आय वॉन्ट टू अटेंड द क्लास, सो दॅट टाइम अटेंड द क्लास विथ full enthusiasm, full energy. Okay, what is this? Sanika Patil. Sanika Patil.
इन्स्ट्रुमेंटचं नेम होतं सर.
ओके, पहिल्यांदा ऐकतो मी असं. काय म्हणायचं त्याला? उकुलेले.
हा,
Ukulele, sir.
युकुलेले.
Yeah.
How does it look and sound? मला माहिती नाही अजिबात. I first time I'm listening ukulele. कुठं वाजवतात?
It's just like a part of a guitar, but it is small in size. And as guitar has 6 strings, it has only 4 strings.
Okay, okay, fine. So nice. I came to know one new thing, ukulele. I will try to find more about it. Okay, so pay attention to the screen and we'll try to See, before the names of religious books. Additionally, here you people can add one more point that can be names of religions. All religions. So maybe the Hindu, the Muslim, the Christian, the Sikh, and all religions that you know, Zoroastrian and all the other. Okay. So before names of religions also, we people use articles. All right. Then let's go to the next slide. So next slide is about before nationalities. So I think that in previous slide I told you before nations we don't use. There are certain nations, but not all. Before nations we don't use, but before nationalities we people have to use. Okay. So here people can read the English, the French, the Indian. So what is meaning of the Indian? Indian means all Indian people, means the Indian. Okay. The next is the English. The English means all English people or British people. British, again, the word British can be used. Next, the French means French people. The German means the German people, like this. Here, similarly, people can have the nationality like the Polish. So Polish means what? What do you mean by the Polish? It is not the police. Police is different. Polish is different. The people of Poland will be called the Polish. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Here again, I would like to add one more point, that is about languages. So do you have any idea about before languages? Do we use articles or not? We don't use. Okay. We don't use before languages. So if it is English, only English, not the English. If it is Marathi, only Marathi, not the Marathi. Same with Hindi and all other languages, we don't use article the. All right. Again, you can people add here one more point is about newspapers. Before newspapers, we people use articles like, let's say, the Times of India and the Indian Express. So these are the some of the names of newspapers. You can add any other also. Okay, so people can just add these two things. Okay. Yes, the river is okay. River is general or common now. Before that also, we people can use it. All right, then let's go to the next slide. Okay. Next slide. Here people have done with articles. Next slide is about noun. So before going to the noun, let's try to talk about if you have any questions, any difficulties, or any other ideas, suggestions that you people can talk about. Okay, no questions, no difficulties.
No, sir.
Okay, you people just try
No,
to find some more information in the next session. I will make one exercise which will be based on articles, maybe hardly 8 to 10 candidates.
Nagani sir.
Yes, sir.
Nagani sir.
Ah, yes, sir.
1 minute. Roll number 1 आहेत का?
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही एलिजिबिलिटी साठीचा फॉर्म का भरला नाही हो?
सर फोटो आप होत नाहीये.
हा?
फोटो आणि
अहो.
सिग्नेचर अपलोड होत.
डेटा कॅचेड डेटा क्लिअर करून भरायचं असते ते मोबाईल मधनं. मग तुम्ही तसं फोन केला का? ते जर लेट भरलं गेलं आणि फाईन लागला युनिव्हर्सिटी कडून तर ते तुम्हाला भरायला लागेल बरं का. आजच्या आज मला डेटा आला पाहिजे.
ओके ओके चालेल.
रोल नंबर 18 आहेत का? (34, 35) आहेत का?
आहेत की सर.
रोल नंबर 34, 35.
सर
सर.
सरांना ते चुकीचं झालेलं ते सांगितले की इंगोले सरांना.
काय झालेलं चुकीचं?
म्हणजे ते बोर्ड सर्टिफिकेटचा ते नंबर चुकला होता.
अरे मित्रा ते झालं की पण दुसरा तरी डेटा कुठं भरला मग तू?
ते सरांना
रोल
सांगितलं
नंबरच
होतं
नाहीये
की.
तुझा.
इंगोले सरांना सांगितलं होतं की.
काय सांगितलेलं?
ते सर म्हणले माझ मी भरतो बघू म्हणले होते. त्यांना पाठवलं होतं की.
सगळा डेटा.
हा
तुमचा रोल नंबर किती आहे सुयश?
34.
मग 33 का टाकलेला?
33 ते पण चुकले वाटतं सर.
काय तुमचं अवघडच आहे रे. कसं व्हायचं बाळा, अवघड आहे तुमचं बाबा. 35 नंबर तुमचं काय आहे बाबा?
भरतो सर.
34.
सर आता काय करायचं सर?
राहू द्या मी चेंज केलाय.
हा आणि ते तो चुकलेलं सर ते
आता सोडा का मला बाकीच्यांचं बघू द्या. काय अडचण असली पर्सनली कॉल करा. रोल नंबर 60 आहेत का? नाही. 57 मुकुंद. मुकुंद तळेकर, प्रथमेश व्यवहारे.
हा यस सर. 58.
भरला का?
नाही भरला.
हा भरा.
आज भरतो आज.
हा आज भरा नाही तर उद्यापासून मला ही लेट फी भरायला तयार व्हा.
बरं आज भरतो.
58 कोण आहे? 58.
हा सर यस मीच आहे 58.
57 मुकुंद. ठीक आहे.
Okay. All right. So for articles, you people just try to find more information, and in next lecture, we people, I think that I have told you people to find some examples of exceptional articles for a and an. So where article a, for article a, it begins with vowel sound and we use article a, and for an it begins with consonant letter and we use article an. Have you found some examples like this? Or not? Okay, yes, Gauri told me one. That is a unit. We can discuss like this, similar we people have discussed here. So all other people just don't be. If there is nothing to find it out or search or study, then it will be that you will find it very simple, but you will not learn it at all. If you're searching it, you will just make it more better. Okay, if there is nothing more, then we people will go to the conclusion, or we'll take attendance here and we'll stop. So roll number 2. Then roll number 9. '18. '29. 32. 47, 48. 56, 57. 60. So these are absent numbers: 2, 9, 18, 29, 32, 47, 48, 56, 57, and 60. If anybody is present out of these numbers, just let me know. Okay. Otherwise, we'll stop here. We'll end it here. We'll meet in next session with noun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for joining today, and do join for the next session also. Keep learning and be safe.